So if you look like you're selling something online, people are going to see it and they're going to run the other way because everything has shifted and changed. The stories that has emotional content are the stories that are going to help people like, know, and trust you. In today's video, we're going to look at how to start affiliated marketing as a beginner in 2021. Hi and welcome to Eagle Vision. My name is Gershwin, and in this video we're going to look at how to start affiliated marketing as a complete beginner, somebody that's just starting out and wanting to know how do I do it the right way and how do I start earning $500 every single day in order to pay off my debt, to live the life that I want to live and live life on my terms, or even go on that holiday, or treat my wife or my husband, or retire young. So if you want to do that, this video is for you. So please, before we get started, please like and subscribe to this video and click on the bell icon to get notified every single time I upload a video. It will also help me to reach more people and change their lives as well. So thank you so much for that. So let's jump into it. I'm just going to jump behind the PC. So you want to start affiliated marketing as a beginner and you don't know where to start. So I've created a 6-step process that you need to follow in order to start affiliated marketing and be successful in affiliated marketing. So the first step would be sign up to an affiliate program, and that could be ClickBank, it could be JVZoo, this is a platform, and Digistore24 or Warrior Plus, and you can choose an offer from one of these. Then the next step would be find a niche that you're passionate about and that you love, and a niche that you know well. And there's 3 main niches that you can choose from, and the first one is health, and the second one is wealth, and then it's relationships. And then you need to choose a micro niche, and this is just examples. You can then choose in health, you can choose fat loss or weight loss. In wealth, you can choose make money with affiliated marketing or cryptocurrency. In relationships, you would then choose how to find love, how to find your true love, how to find your best friend, how to be confident with love or finding a partner. Then step number 3 is where you find an offer. So you would then find an offer. Let's say I've chosen Digistore. So the first thing I've chosen a something in health, and that is fat loss guide. And I'm not saying that you need to promote this. This is just example. This is what you call a low ticket affiliated offer. You want to choose high ticket affiliated offers because it's then easier to sell to. If you just sell to one person, you can make good money with that, and you can run your business efficiently. So the second one would be a make money niche, and let's say you want to promote a cryptocurrency offer, and here you can see this would be a high ticket affiliated program where you can then earn $320 for one single sale. Then the third one would be, let's say you want something in love and you would promote something like this. This is just examples. Please don't choose these examples. It's just examples. Then step number 4 would be, this is where you build your funnel. And I call it my value funnel because this is where I want to add value in somebody's life to ensure them that they like, know, and trust me. So the first step is you would create an opt-in page where you collect an email address and a name and surname, and I haven't included email marketing here, but you can check out my 4-day success series in the link below. Then you want to send them off to a bridge page where you would add value and give them something of value. Then the last step is then you want to send them to a sales page. So you actually want to warm them up because they're coming in cold, and you want to warm them up so that they know, like, and trust you, and they're more likely to buy from you. Then step number 5 is then create content on all the social media platforms. And just as this example, as we often say in affiliated marketing, mistakes make the best teacher. If you agree with that, please just say yes in the comment section below. And here you can send in your post, you can say click the link below or click the link in my bio for my 4-day success series, or whatever offer you want to promote, you will send them to that offer. Then the last and final step is promoting your link. So you want to promote your link on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, and you want to send all these traffic to your link, and your link will then be this link in my description, and you can click that link to join my 4-day success series, and it's absolutely free. It's where I add value. I'm not saying that you need to buy anything from me, but I'm trying to add value and trying to help you on your journey of becoming a better affiliate marketer and being successful and start earning $500 every single day. So if you want to do that, if you're ready to take action, just click the link below and it will take you to my 4-day success series. Value in this training that I gave you now, please just click the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get notified every single time I upload a video. Please also share this video with others, because I really want to impact other people's lives as well, and I hope I impacted your life today and changed and opened your mind to the possibility, and I showed you the process that you need to follow in order for you to become successful in affiliate marketing. If you want a blueprint, an in-depth training session, you just click the link below for my 4-day success series, and I will spend 4 days with you where I will teach you how to start affiliate marketing the right way, how to be successful in affiliate marketing, and how to earn the $500 every single day, or you can make $5,000 a month or $10,000 a month, whatever your financial goal is. I'll teach you that in my 4-day success series, so just click the link below. Then I also wanted to ask you just again, please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, be blessed and create the success that you want and that you deserve. Bye.